Good afternoon, guys, and what's on the table today? What's on the table today, guys? We have our prototype 100% complete. The mock-up is complete. Now it is time to take it to the CNC machine and the router and the table saw. It actually turned out amazing. You have to see how I'm going to do it and how it's going to look. Like I said, this is a skeleton that I was making, so you got to see the skeleton on it. I got some very, very nice mods that's going in it, and it's turned out amazing. I really wanted to dial my prototype in because I deal with these OBSs a whole lot, so I wanted my prototype 100% so I can start reproducing them effectively. And like I said, I can make any type of skeleton I want to change the outside, because this is going to be an outside piece. Take it to the other side real quick. One sexy red truck, you guys. Cover this stuff up. Customers I'm working on. So like I said, I didn't make any holes or anything. This is how it's gonna look without the skeleton that I'm gonna put on it. But yeah, I taped everything so I can blow it apart and put it on the CNC. It's gonna be really freaking nice. All right, guys, that's a quick episode of What's on the Table today, guys. You guys stay safe and be amazing.